Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Sunday afternoon, October the 17th, the day before the 13 Frights before Halloween start. And I just wanted to do a quick little video to share something with you. Reminder, I will be using this Graphic 45 collection. I have two full collection packs, one of the patterns and solids to use for this project. It's a very large folio album. I did share a walk through of the one that I've made in the past, but this would be different papers for this event. Approximately probably 34 to 40 sheets of 12 by 12 artisan cardstock. I'm using black. And also I have extra sheets of some of my favorite patterns, like this black dot and the one with the spider webs, just different ones that I really liked. I bought extra sheets. So I can't tell you how many sheets it's going to use. It's just going to depend on how you cut yours and how many pages you want to pattern in yours. There is a cutting guide. There will be a link to that for each day. It's the same cutting guide link each day. So if you print it up, go to the link on the first day and print it up. You don't need to do it again. It's the entire cutting list, but I strongly suggest that you do not cut anything ahead of time until you follow the videos, because there might be a few little changes. I try my best to make sure everything is included in the cutting list, but then I do have sometimes omissions or typo errors, and if you see something like that, just let me know in the comments of the video of that particular day so that I can fix that. I have a supplies needed list and then the cutting list of the chipboard. You do need 4 sheets of heavyweight chipboard, 34 to 40 sheets of the black artisan cardstock, about 6 sets of the large basic gray magnets, 3 or 4 brads, your adhesives, of course the collection. I also use the sticker sheets, the chipboard ephemera that you can get with the collection, and a pack of the ephemera pieces, I think that's what it was called, and the purple graphic 45 roses and black graphic 45 roses, purple seam binding ribbons, some of the button jute burlap string in orange and also in black, some spider charms, some gauze, and optional wink of Stella if you have it in the clear. That's pretty much what I used on mine. I don't think I've forgotten anything, or that's what I'm planning to use on mine. And then in the video, I may not always share but each day, but I am giving away a prize. This was donated by Cindy Brown of Creative Chaos by Sin. She contacted me and wanted to donate this. This is adorable. I want to win it. I'll just tell you right off the bat, I would like to win it. But anyway, one of you will win this, and I will be drawing on October the 31st and from the comments to the videos. And some of the video, I plan to have some questions, some I'm not. I'm just going to go ahead and include entries from all comments. So I'll use a comment random picker to pick one winner. Must be USA because I can't afford to ship overseas. But let me show you this. This is the little holder that she made. It's got a little clip here that you can clip it to something in your big bag or whatever. And it's out of adorable Halloween paper with sparkly glitter. Look to it. She stitched this. She makes these. And it unsnaps. Okay. Of course, it's got this charm hanging on the side, the jack-o'-lantern and the purple green beads and the skull. Adorable. Adorable. I love it. So you take this out, and this is called a craft pick. And look how cute with all these beads. Let me hold this up. This is so cute. Of course, it's got a protective tip on it that you just pull off. But you can use this to help pick up beads and different things that you're using in your crafting, paper crafting. So that's a Halloween craft pick. So one of you in the USA will be winning this for following along for my 13 Frights before Halloween. From the comments, so make sure you comment each day so you have several chances to win. Okay, so that's it. Starting tomorrow, 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time, the first Fright before Halloween on day 1, we will start on the large folio album, and in some of the videos, I will have a little bonus project. Depends if it's a shorter video or not that day. If I have time, then I will do a little project. I don't know, maybe I've got 5 or 6 planned. So watch to the end or skip forward to the end to catch the little projects, not necessarily to go with this folio, but just some fun Halloween projects that I'm thinking of doing, like some cards, a pop-up card, little gift card holders, maybe a little mini album, a real quick one out of paper bags, things like that that you can use as gifts, some treat boxes, a coffin treat box and stuff like that. That's what I'm thinking about showing you how to make really quick at the end of some of the 13 Frights days, not all of them, because some days we may have longer session, and I don't think a bonus would be a good idea because it'd just make a longer video. Okay, so that's it. I'm excited. I can't wait. It's only 13 days counting tomorrow, starting tomorrow till Halloween. So see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.